Oof. Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta keep it trendy on my soul. I'm the most selfish person that I know. Here we go, down the rabbit hole. Gotta keep carrots on my neck. Self-respect, when you out of line, you put yourself in check. They don't hear me, they don't hear me though. Life is going round and round and round like a merry-go. Stand for truth, fall for any old scenario. That's why I keep my circle
Final day out here at Summernats. Everyone's feeling a little seedy.
We've all got hats. I'm pretty much losing me voice. Hey. JB Rolled. Sunday Sash.
Ish. Unfortunate events for the old clutches. Bloody cables melting.
We made most.
Frying clutches.
We still made most of the weekend, didn't
She
we?
was gonna blaze, but she'll be alright.
We've got a couple.
She'll be back.
The usual, when we bring too many tyres, never use any.
600 tyres.
Nice.
She'll be back better than ever. So stay tuned.
It's a little bit quiet today. Everyone left our tent. And yeah, don't know. The only thing we'll probably check out today is the Burnout Masters, and that's on later. And yeah, no boys.
Just wanted to give a quick shout out to everyone that helped support the AU build and get it in at the last minute. Of course, we got PI Performance jumping on board, hooking us up with some injectors, wideband kit, and of course the J3 chip. Also, we got Hypergear turbos supplying the gangster ATR 45, making all the Kang noises, and PWR hooking us up. Last minute PWR intercooler, keep them intake air temps down. And of course, Zoo Performance fittings, because they're Kang.
The boys.
Anyway.
Oh my god. Oh, Lynchy. So how's it been, mate? How'd you go today in the Burnout?
Oh yeah, you know, qualified for the Burnout Masters this afternoon. It's pretty good. Sent it.
Yeah.
About 5 tip-ins on the Burnout pad over there.
Yeah, hit about 200, I reckon, on that.
Hit the back a few
Yeah.
times. Boom! Boom! Bit of flames. You know how it is. Just the usual day for Lynchy.
Oh, that's nice to meet you, man.
You know, it's good to see you. Come back next year.
Yeah, I'll see you next year, mate. Yep. See you, mate.
Fans here this weekend, Sicko!
Oof. Alright, so my day off and I bailed from the Burnouts because couldn't see sharp. Live stream not working. They closed Skid Row and the cruise route. Everyone packed up, so probably going to call it a day, not going to lie. go get the trailer, load her up. Jamie Rolden and Jassy are watching the rest of the Burnout Masters. Finished on a potato on a stack. It is literally ghost town. I thought Sundays when it went off. Last time I left early, and Sundays when I was going crazy. So I must have missed it on the schedule where they closed their cruise route. Hence why I was so crazy yesterday, I guess. But anyway, nice weather. Good day to recovery day. Anyway, let's go get this car and trailer, I reckon. Pack her up, boy. Pack her up, boy. So gross on those wheels. Looks kang no rear bar though. Give her a little rev for us, Coco. Welcome. That's Summernats. That's it, boys. That's a wrap. That's a wrap.
That's a crap. Summernats 2023. Next year, will we build a car, Jason? What do you reckon?
I don't know. I
Maybe.
get G'd up every time and then don't
Go
know.
home, get
We
back
might
into
build a
drifting.
car with a
Forget.
bit more notice.
So,
A little bit more preparation.
Here we are.
What have we learnt?
To build a car in a week and send it. And it comes back on the trailer one piece. And heaps of tyres.
Minus paint on a guard and minus a clutch.
Nah, here we are.
really good at unloading and loading back up
Yeah,
the stuff that we unloaded and didn't use.
Really good at bringing too many tyres.
Pretty wild. Saturday was wild. Friday was wild.
You did
Today
the-
was wild.
The best skid, I reckon. Lynchy.
Yeah, I did like a triple tip in, and then went down the other end, and then you couldn't see the rest because it was smoky. So I don't know.
We don't know who won. We're throwing some footage of some of the skids and fires and.
It's a 350. Don't care. With a triple carby, and it's got 4 diffs.
Yes. Runs off nitrous too, I
Yeah, it
reckon.
runs off nitrous.
Yeah.
Nitrous and
Pure nitrous.
valve bouncing goodness. The valve bouncer.
Lynchy.
Gotta
So
run-
yeah, don't know who won.
Gotta run your own merch.
Don't know who won, but we'll put it down here somewhere.
Who's we?
Adam.
Cheers, Adam. Hope you enjoyed editing this vlog.
It's time to stop.
Feel nothing.
No good. Yeah, good way to start the year.
Summernats.
All the way home.
You guys like that ass, subscribe that ass.
Part of that, subscribe to that. Hit that bell. Get all the videos.
Yeah.